1-Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for catch up. Catch up means to succeed in reaching a person who is ahead. We usually use it for a race. For example, the man started slow, but he was able to catch up with the other runners. Catch up also means when two or more people meet to discuss what has happened since the last time they met or spoke. For example, I met my childhood friend to have coffee and catch up. Another meaning of catch up is to do tasks one should have done earlier. For example, I was sick on Monday, so I stayed late on Tuesday to catch up on my work. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using catch up and leave it in the comments below.